Association techniques in learning. Connect ideas for improved memory. Write a short article for the above topic, according to the following instructions. Briefly introduce the importance of the above topic, discussing the best, good, and great methods and techniques, as well as providing the tips for the above mentioned topic. Provide practical examples and demonstrations about the topic and its methods. Compare and contrast good methods with the best methods, highlighting their effectiveness in different contexts related to above-mentioned topics. Share success stories or case studies. Methods have significantly improved. Must be related to the topic. Offer general tips and strategies that are helpful, related to the topic. Provide actionable advice on implementing these methods effectively in daily routines. Focus on tips and techniques for the topic. Offer tips on managing stress and anxiety related to the topic. Summarize the best, good, and great methods and techniques. Ask for questions and suggestions about the topic from the viewers. Don't include headings in your answers. Just change the paragraph. Only generate only unique and valuable, easy to understand content. First, write 10 to 20 words.